Hi, I'm just about to do our tea and I just wanted to share with you what I'm cooking because I know that a lot of the time it's quite a tricky thing for people. We're all in a hurry and we want to get our food in the oven as quickly as possible and onto our plates. So I often will just Google recipes. Before leaving home I'd never cooked with garlic or anything like that, so I've come a long way since then. I now make my own, grow my own garlics and then use them, and they're amazing. So to grow your own garlics, make sure you get a garlic with the roots on them, and then you can use the cloves. So each clove you just pop in the ground with this little bit pointing out and your garlics will grow. So they're pretty easy. Okay, so I've got some chicken drumsticks here and I've got a couple of pieces of garlic, a lemon, some paprika, salt and oil, and that's it. That's all it calls for. So I've just popped in the paprika. So paprika isn't too spicy, it's got a nice smell about it. And with the garlics, what I like to do is actually push them down with a knife, then get the skin off a bit more, cut the ends off first. Find that works well. Give it a squash. Always keep your fingers out of the way, obviously. Okay, and then just chop them up quickly. Okay, so these are going to be a marinade for the chicken. So we'll chop all these up. There's a marinade, so straight in with the paprika. It's pretty roughly cut, I'm not too worried about that. You could cut it a lot finer if you want to. Okay, and then it said some lemon zest, so I'm just going to pop that in. Use the little part of the grater for that. Oh, it smells amazing, the lemon. You could even use some of the lemon juice if you want in it. It doesn't call for that, but it didn't give me any amounts, so I'm just going to do, just do about half of this lemon zest. Okay. Some olive oil. Tell me, it's about half a cup, so we'll do about a quarter of a cup of olive oil. Just stir, and then salt is the other one. And then we're just simply going to wipe it onto our drumsticks. I've preheated the oven 200 degrees. I'm going to cook them for 40 minutes. And then I will serve them with mashed potato and some broccoli and probably green beans if I've got any. But whatever veggies I've got there in the garden, I'll just serve up with them. I think I've got some kale and silverweed I'd put in the fridge. Alright. I think I'll squeeze a little bit of lemon in there as well. Give it a little cut. Some lemon out. There we go. Give us a nice flavour. And then all you need to do, if you've got a paste that you can use that. Otherwise just paste it on. Doesn't need to be pretty. And that's it. Super easy. Pop in the oven, 200 degrees, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, I believe. And what you can do is near the end, the last 5 minutes, you can pop them as a grill if you want to make them really crispy. So we'll see how we go. I haven't made these ones before, but a really good easy one for the kids to eat as well as the adults. So please don't be afraid of cooking. This is additive free and it's easy, and there's no chemicals. It's really quick. I could have just tipped a jar in as fast as I've just done that. So happy cooking. Don't be afraid. Bye.